Hi there, Chris here. So I checked my phone and it is Tuesday here. And it's mostly Tuesday everywhere, even in England. Except in Australia, it's now Wednesday. But we got that straight. I'm on the right day. Another thing, I just want to do a little shout out. I want you to send your thoughts and good wishes to my friend B, who I was texting this morning, and he's got COVID. He's a very good friend, and now he is isolating in their trailer. And I mean, I'm not laughing because he got COVID. He's been boosted and all that. I think, and he's very healthy. So I think he'll be fine. Send your thoughts and prayers. But their trailer, if you had to be isolated somewhere, their trailer is like probably one of the best places. It would be one of the best places I would choose. So thumbs up for that. Hopefully his wife tests negative. I haven't heard back about that. So that's that. And then Lockpicker 1969 sent me some stuff. And I had sent him a bunch of my stickers because he always does giveaways. And he's a very cool guy. He's the interview guy, among other things, among a lot of other things. So I think these are some of his stickers, and maybe I won't show any addresses here. I think he has poker chips too. So let's see if I can get in here. Here we go. We're in. Don't want to mess anything up. So we'll go in here carefully. Wow, that's so sharp you can't even feel it cutting. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you, Lockpicker 1969. Awesome, you're going right there next to Joe Picks, and he's got this one, which is a shiny super one. These are very, very nice, and I will share some of these when I finally get some packages out. So we'll put those over there. And this, I don't know what this is. It's possible I was a runner-up on his giveaways, and someone didn't claim or something. Because there's, look at these. These are awesome as poker chips. And it looks like there's a lock in here. Oh, and some more stickers. I mean, yes, definitely. Thank you. I will share these goodies. And this is one of the little safe locks. I can't remember if these are sliders. No, they're a little pick lock. They're lottos. Yes. I must have been a runner-up winner. Okay, lock and unlock. Dare I stick a pick in here? Sure, why not? I love the color. All right, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna take my, I don't know, one of my tension wrenches. How about this one? How about the little one? Oh, the little one will be fine. And then I got a Mad Bob, a Jimmy Longs here. We'll do some tickling. See, without the packages, if you pick them out of the package, you don't get them. And if you don't, while you're uploading the video, you take and stick a pick in them and you get them. So We'll get this a little bit longer. Somebody low back there. Wait a minute. Counter, maybe? A lot of clicking going on. I'm going to drop some. I think I did some oversetting. Boy, sure feels like lots of serrated guys in this here. Which are fun. Well, I like them just so you can get to the spools. But I don't seem to be getting to the spools. Oh, there's another click, another click, another click. How many clicks are you going to get out of that? All right, well, another click in the back. Well, it's not going to be a quick pick, I can tell you that. I'm not getting high enough in the back. I'll put a little turn on there. Two. 1, 2. Late feel set, I think. 3. Little counter, little click. 4. Not wanting to go. Should I cheat? Wow. Let's try a just try the worm. You know, sometimes it just goes like that. Lockpicker 69, you rock, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good thoughts out to B. I know he's having a good time in the trailer. I sent him a bunch of shares to my favorite fly fishing guy, and so he's probably having a good time. Anyway, Lockpicker 69, check him out. He has wonderful videos, wonderful giveaways, and the interviews are out of this world. So thank you so much, and we will see you next time.